Infamous Joel here, and in this video, I'm going to break down to you, look, you're more than likely a beginner. More than likely. And you're first starting off with this short form content with TikTok, with YouTube Shorts, whatever you're doing. You can also repurpose those videos and put them on multiple platforms if you want. But let's say you're starting with TikTok as your base, and there's a lot of reasons to do that. But you're saying, Joel, I don't have a brand. I don't have any ideas. I don't know what to post. I don't know where to start. I get it. And it feels like it's a giant mountain to climb. Like there's a lot that you can do, but you don't know exactly what the first thing to do is. So in the previous lesson, you got a really good idea on the types of content, level 1, level 2, level 3, right? The different levels, because your channel is basically going to be a sales funnel, the different levels of content you're going to create for your audience. But now you want to find stuff that's already working. That is the fastest path to success in general. Okay, I'm going to repeat that because that's a really important thing to know about your business moving forward. The fastest path to success is to model what's already working. Notice how I put the stress on the word model, because sometimes beginners think copy. Don't copy, model. That means that everything that you see that's already successful, that's already working really well, do it, but do it in your own style, in your own flavor, in your own voice, in your own, with your own personality, right? You still want to throw a dash of personality into everything that you do. You don't want to completely copy, because now it's like, well, there's no difference between you and the next guy or girl, right? And that makes it harder for people to decide who their affiliate is going to be, who they go with. Okay, so throw your own spin on things, but still model what works. So let me show you a quick shortcut to basically never being able to run out of ideas. You will have infinity ideas forever and ever if you just do this. Model what's already working. Start following people in your niche, in your industry that are already successful, and start modeling them. Start getting ideas from them, right? So let's just go over to, let's say, all right, I'm going to put hashtag, right? TikTok will actually help us with this. Hashtag, what the hell's jiggle jiggle? But hashtag, let's say for me, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is my hashtag. Okay, let's type that in. Actually, it took the hashtag away. I should have left it, but it doesn't matter. It's not a big deal. As you can see, it gave me results just like YouTube would. Results on all dealing with affiliate marketing, all of these videos. Okay, now I don't know if you can actually hear this. I hope you can, but I'm just going to pick one at random. This video got almost 500,000 views. So this video is working, or worked at some point, right? 310 in March, it really blew up. So let me just see.
You know those videos how they say that they made 10K in their first month of affiliate marketing? Most of that isn't even true. So I'm going to be really honest with this question. And spoiler alert, I didn't make 10K in my first month. The truth about affiliate marketing is that it does take hard work, and it is not as easy as everybody says. And in saying that, it took me about 2 months to make my first sale with affiliate marketing. And this was spending 1 to 3 hours every day working on it. And I'm going to be honest, it was very frustrating. But I was working hard and staying patient, and now I make almost $15,000 every single month. And so although it may be a rocky first start, keep going, because it's helped me get closer to financial freedom. And if you still do want to start, even though it does take hard work, let me know and I'd love to help you. You know those.
Okay, so this post right here obviously worked. It got almost 500,000 views, and I'm going to show you a few steps to take here. But the first thing we want to do, I like it. I want to model it, right? And let's say this was you, I want to model it. This may not be the best video for you to model if you are a complete beginner, because you won't have this kind of story, right? You haven't made sales yet. You haven't, done everything. I'm going to give you this spreadsheet underneath this video, underneath this training, where you can actually sit down and do this for, for a weekend or something. Just compile a ton of different ideas, right? From TikTok. There's the link for the video, so I can always go back to it. Here is the name of the influencer or the TikTok creator. Her name's Affiliate with Lindsay. I'm going to put her name here. Okay. And now here, type of content. Okay. This is your call. This is a judgment thing, but remember our levels, level 1, 2, 3, and 4. I can tell you this is definitely a level 3 type of content. Remember our content thing? Okay, our content document. Let's see if I can pull it up here. Okay, 4 levels of TikTok content. Remember, level 3 is story time. Deeper level of engagement where your audience learns more about you, right? She's sharing a story. She's sharing personal ups and downs, right? People will follow you more intently because of this. Now, if you think back to this content and you see how it got 500,000 followers, right? I guarantee you she also earned a lot of, not followers, I'm sorry, views. I guarantee you she also earned a lot of followers from this video. A lot. Why? Think about it. If you're doing affiliate marketing right now, she's talking to that level 3 audience. They're already deep in it. They already, they're already educated. They're already past level 1 and 2. So she comes on here, tells her own personal struggles, says, these guys are lying, saying they're making 10K in their first month. It's so hard. I was really frustrated, but now I'm doing really well. But no, in the first month, no way. It was so frustrating. So this video and a video like this would draw so many people in and make them want to follow you because, wow, you're being so honest. You're sharing your truth. You're being open about yourself. You're not just showing success, you're showing failure. And that is so, so powerful. So I would put this down for myself and I would put this as a level 3. And if I wanted to post something like this, I'm going to model how she did it, but maybe a little bit more personal to me, right? Where it's like, same thing, truth about affiliate marketing. I'd probably leave some of this stuff the same. And I'm talking in my bedroom, like, this is what actually happened with me. My first 8 months, I didn't make any money. And it's more personal to you. But know that this is a level 3 content kind of piece. And I would do it, but I would not do it all the time because this is level 3, right? So I want to grow my channel and I want to get people in. So this I would only do every once in a while, okay? The next thing you want to do, so as you're compiling this list, right, coming up with ideas, is you want to start to follow these people. I want to be able to go to her channel and start looking and seeing what other pieces of content does she have? What else does she do? Now, stop here. Underneath this video, this is a very, very powerful tool I'm about to give you. Underneath this video, there's going to be a link for a Chrome extension right here called Sort for TikTok. Okay? So underneath this video, you'll see a link for that. And this is all it is. It's a Chrome extension. Unfortunately, you can't use it on your phone, so you can't do this on the go. But if you're sitting down once a week and just, compiling different videos that you want to model for the week, get this Chrome extension. I'm going to hit start and you'll see what it does. Use an extension without signing into TikTok. Okay. Well, it still went ahead and did it. So when I hit start, basically what it's doing is it's now sorting her content from the most viewed content all the way down to the least viewed content, right? So the most views to the least views. This is really powerful and really helpful because now I don't have to scroll through her entire channel trying to figure out, what works and what doesn't work. It'll actually push all the good posts or most successful posts to the top. So here we are. Now her most successful post is right here, 1.3 million views. Okay? And if you want, we can take a look at it. Okay, this is excellent because you see here, literally any of you guys can do this. How simple is this post? It got 1.2 million views. Million views. Okay, insane. Look how simple it was. It's literally 6 seconds long. It's just her looking off and then taking a swig of her, looks like a water bottle, looking at the camera and then looking off again. But what does all of the view part, what gets people's attention, is just the words that are on the screen. That's it. She just put words on the screen. I'll show you how to use this with a tool called CapCut. But actually, you can do this even with TikTok's own editor. Okay? We'll do a little bit of that later. But for now, this is simple. When you go to upload this video, you can just put text on the screen, and that's it. It'll let you do it right before you upload the video. There's a way to do it. But I worked for 2 hours today and made $2,000 with skills of a 12-year-old and a phone. People are overworking themselves way too much. So she's hinting at the opportunity, right? Affiliate marketing. She's making a little hint, but she's not saying that I'm doing affiliate marketing. She's not saying what kind of a business it is or what she did to get that $2,000. She's kind of hinting at it, right? That creates intrigue. That creates a little bit of, what's this all about? That's interesting. Is that true? It might, people might be skeptical, on the, I don't read the comments, but you're going to get skeptics like, oh, what are you doing? Whatever, some negative stuff. But even negative comments help grow your video. It creates a conversation. So don't be afraid of that. Remember this, right? As we click on this and copy the link, I'll put it on my little spreadsheet here. Same, it's affiliate with Lindsay again. Okay, and guess what this is? This is level 1. Level 1 content. Super easy to make, and most of your content should be level 1 content. Why is it level 1? If we go back, right? We're not educating anybody. She's not educating anybody. It's very broad. Anyone can read that and understand what she's talking about, right? She's just hinting, right? She's just hinting. It's very result or problem focused. I would say this is problem focused, right? It's like, hey, I did this. I made 2,000 today in 2 hours with a simple skill and a phone, right? Man, people are working themselves way too much. Here's the problem. If I was able to do this, why are you working so hard? Now, again, this may not be applicable to you because you may be a beginner. You haven't made any sales yet. Never lie. Please don't lie. But you can tweak this and model it for yourself. Maybe instead of I work 2 hours today, you can say there's people that work 2 hours today and made $2,000 with a skill of a 12-year-old. So you're talking about other people doing this, right? And then again, you raise a lot of people in the comments and people start to follow and watch it and say, what is it? What is it that he's talking about or she's talking about? This is a very intriguing post. It's no secret. You can easily tell why it got 1 million views because people have to stop and read that and say, I wonder what this is about. So you can follow Lindsay, and it looks like I did. Follow Lindsay or whoever ends up popping up when you search in your niche. Let's go back to affiliate marketing. There's 9. Oh, this one has 2.7 million. Right? Lululemon pays $8,000 a month to work at home. This is I don't even need to watch this. I can tell you this is a level 1 content because this is everyone can relate to this. This is more like a job opportunity, right? You can do this because this is going to attract people that are looking for a work at home opportunity. So you're not saying specifically affiliate marketing or some business online, but most people, if you're telling them, hey, you can go from the job that you're doing now to a job at home, that's a small step in the right direction. And you start showing them some home job opportunities, right? But this is level 1 because most people understand job. They understand working from home, 9 to 5. Hey, a lot of people might want to do that. This will get people to watch your video, get people to follow you, and then occasionally you can slip in, there's another really great opportunity, affiliate marketing. That's something you don't even need to be hired. You can start on your own. And the opportunities are out there all over the place. Show them where to get affiliate links, show them, how to get started. Now you can move into like level 2 content where you're educating them about this thing. But this is great level 1 content where everyone can relate to this. Hey, did you know Lululemon pays $8,000 a month to work from home? Wow, that's awesome. That's awesome. I'd like to learn more about that. You can put it on here. You can put level 1-2. It's somewhere in the middle. It's a little bit education. But for the most part, most people can relate to this and understand this. So it's very broad. It's very simple to see, again, why it had 2.7 million views, because this is a very broad kind of video. Very broad, right? So all of that being said, get the sorting tool. I'll leave a link to this down below this video as well, this spreadsheet. Make a copy, all right? Go to File, hit Make a Copy so you can make a copy for yourself. Do not ask for permission or whatever. I think it's share and you ask for permission. That means you get permission to my document and you start to be able to edit it and stuff. No, get your own copy right here. Make a copy and now you have your own. And now if you sit down for a week, once a week or whatever, you make a giant list of like whatever, 30, 40, 50, 100 videos. And now you're good for the week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks, right? You have all of your content that you can plan out for the entire 2-3 weeks. You have videos that you can model so that you don't have to reinvent the wheel and start all over and just think of all this new different stuff, right? You have stuff you can model. You want as many, right? Remember the strategy. You want as many level 1 contents as possible, right? Then sprinkle in a little bit of level 2s, a tiny bit of level 3s, and an even tinier bit of level 4s, right? You remember this strategy, so make sure it all fits in. The majority is going to be level 1, super simple to make, super easy even as a beginner because it's so broad, it's so just generic, so like, let's just make people laugh, let's, give them food for thought, give them some mindset tips and tricks, that's it. Nothing crazy because you're just bringing in a giant audience. You're bringing in the biggest amount of people possible, okay? That's it for this lesson. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.